Hey lads and ladies, this is Paul. We're at Eurocycle of Tampa Bay, and today we're checking out this 2018 Aprilia RSV4 factory. Factory gets some special options, not just your standard RSV4 RR. You get a little bit more out of it. Better suspension, better features, better rims. You're gonna get forged wheels on this one. You're also going to get out of the 999cc 65 degree V4 motor, about 201 horsepower and a staggering 84.8 foot-pounds of torque. Complementary in that powerhouse, you're going to also have Ohlins suspension on here, the TTX monoshock with piggyback, as well as the Ohlins NIX fork with tin surface or titanium nitrate treatment. The 2018 Aprilia RSV4 factory has a claimed dry weight of 396.8 pounds on it. Has a seat height about 33.3 inches. And a fuel capacity of 4.89 gallons. Nice, trim, smooth rider's cockpit. If you're looking for this Aprilia or other Aprilias, new or pre-owned, make sure you check out Eurocycles of Tampa Bay. You can find us on the web at eurocyclesoftambabay.com. It is a good time. You can go ahead and give us a thumbs up, like our video, drop us a comment there. Make sure you subscribe so you can get the notifications every time we release new two-wheel content for you. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube.